Hey there! Welcome to a tour of Driftspace that gives some basic instructions on how to create a drift and how to use the web dashboard and the headset application together on Driftspace to upload media and create and publish your own drifts. Let's get started. This is the web dashboard, and I'm just going to log in here using my username and password. Um, you can see our different menus. Uh, and I'm going to start from drifts, but if you need further instructions, then you can use the education menu, and the file library menu shows you all the media that you've uploaded. So I'm going to create a new drift and just call it, this is a demo drift, and then just give it a description. Anything is fine since this is just a demo. Save it, and then it shows up in my drifts tab. I click on it to open it. So then from the drifts tab, you can do a lot. You can add media. Right now I'm creating a new scene. And we'll see when we go into the headset app that everything you do on the web dashboard shows up on the headset app. The two are simultaneously connected. So when you make edits on the dashboard, they show up in the headset. So we'll see this text I'm creating on the headset when we go in there. And I'm just going to my Files tab, and I'm just going to take this 360 video, and I'm going to upload it to the Files tab. And so it will be available in the headset when I open the headset app. And now I'm on the Publish tab. This is where you'll go to publish if you want to publish from the dashboard. You can see that upload is continuing, and I'm just going to wait for that to happen. And now I'm going to move from the dashboard and just show you how what I've just done on the dashboard shows up in the headset and how we use those files in the headset to create drifts. Okay, so now we're in the headset app, and I'm just going to log into the same account that I used for the dashboard using the same username and password. Just hit login, and now I'm in the same account, so I'm going to find that drift that I just created, and it has a little download button, but I can enter it because I own it. And now you can see that video I uploaded on the dashboard is downloading to the headset right now, so that will be done really soon. So I'm going to choose an image to put in this scene, this first home scene that I have. And I've got a bunch of really big images because we're testing that, so it takes a little bit longer than normal. But then I'm just going to choose a random image. This is a screenshot from using Driftspace. And so I select the image, and now it shows up in the scene. And then I've got a text box here that I can type something into. Just something simple this time. And place that where I want it to be. And then I can use the fading feature to control when the text and the image are going to fade in and fade out. So I'm going to have both the text and the image fade in at 5 seconds into the drift and then fade out at 10 seconds into the drift. So I've got the text, and I'm just going to set that for the image. That's all set. So now I want to be able to move to the second scene that I created on the dashboard. So I'm going to create a link. And here I press the link button there, and I'm able to connect it to scene number 2, which we created on the dashboard just a little while ago. And I'm going to give this scene some text so it tells you what it does. This link some text. And then I'm going to set it to fade in right after the image and the first piece of text fade out. So it's going to be like a little 1-2 sort of rhythm there. So now I've navigated to the second scene using the scene button, and you can see that that text that I added on the dashboard is there, that I am adding text to scene number 2 right now. That was something I typed on the dashboard, and it just shows up in the headset. It's really neat. So I'm going to add some more text, and then I'm going to select that video that I uploaded on the dashboard, and it shows up. Perfect. And now I'm on a beach. So that's that 360 video we uploaded to the dashboard just a little while ago. And I'm going to set some fading for some of this text. And then, of course, in order to get back, I want to be able to get back to the first scene. So I'm going to create a second link that moves back to the first scene. So I've got that, and now I just have to add a title to it. It tells us where it goes. And I'm all set. So now I can hit preview, and I'll be able to move back and forth between the scenes. So I hit preview, and now I can follow that link back to the first scene. And now, because I set up those fading instructions, the text image fades in, then it'll fade out, and the link will fade in. Perfect. And then I'll move that, follow that link back to the beach scene. And now I'm back in the beach scene. And now I can go back or exit out of the preview and continue editing, creating more scenes, adding more videos, adding more text, adding more images. So this is just, for now, this is set. So I'm going to go to the Publish tab, and I'm going to submit it for review. And generally, we accept any drift for publication, for public publication that has content and that doesn't contain inappropriate, violent or pornographic content. So as long as you've added some images and some video to a scene, we're absolutely happy to publish it. And we really are totally looking forward to what you produce. And yeah, that's this short demo of how to use the dashboard and headset together to create things with Driftspace. Thanks for watching. I'll see you out there.